Hello everyone, welcome to I Jump Instead on YouTube. My name is Trophy Steffi. I am one of the twin instructors here on this YouTube channel, and we instruct rebounding workouts for all ages and for all levels, and we always use a handlebar in every single routine, and we encourage nose breathing here on this channel. This routine is a 6-minute Tai Chi Twists routine, no jumping required. This move, Tai Chi Twists, is transformative. It's going to go directly to your joints, your spine, your neck, your hips, your knees, ankles, shoulders, elbows, wrists, your jawline, your toes. Everything in your body is going to be challenged and strengthened with this very gentle and simple movement. Please make sure you have a handlebar on your unit for this class. If you don't have a handlebar, see if the manufacturer of your rebounder sells one online. This here is a Fed Fitness Beacon BT4 Softland Pro Fitness Trampoline. It's an Amazon rebounder. It's linked in the description box below. I absolutely love the handlebar, and I adore this unit for gentle movements and steps. I'm gonna play some very gentle music to the background of this routine, and it's going to be life-changing for you if you do it most days, if not every single day. Let's get right into it. Here we go. So I want you to stand nice and tall and put your feet in a stance width that feels natural and comfortable, and right on the mat so you can hold your bar comfortably. Hopefully your bar is about belly button height. And I want you to lengthen through the spine, and I want you to grip your toes into the mat. Lift through your neck, bring your shoulders down, grip into the mat, and I want you to put a slight brace in your core. Shoulders are down, and the teeth are closed. So we want to make sure the teeth stay closed, which creates a gentle flex in the jaw. And with that contraction, we are beginning to strengthen and tighten up our jawline. So keep your teeth closed, eyes relaxed, and we're going to begin to incorporate a gentle twist. So keep the spine very tall. Keep gripping your toes into the mat. We're going to keep our feet planted, and we're going to start to rotate. And I'm going to keep one hand on the bar at all times, and it's over toward the edge. So I'm going to face my chest to the side of the room, keeping my face forward, and switch. Hold the bar, twist, keeping your feet connected to the mat and looking forward. Good. How does that feel in your back? It feels good, doesn't it? In your hips, you're nice and tall. We're just gently bobbing, and we're already beginning to strengthen and heal our back. So now, I want you to keep one hand on the bar and reach one arm behind you with each twist, and lengthen and reach that arm all the way. And then we're going to switch. Bring it up and reach it like your fingertips are reaching for something. Good. And bring it down and switch. Keeping the toes engaged, ankles and knees and hips, and the back is twisting. And something is pulling us straight up from the top of our head. We're lengthening through the shoulders, elbows, and wrists, and the fingertips. And now I want you to introduce a nice open palm and finger wiggle with every arm reach. Open that palm wide. Wiggle the fingers, reach that arm. Good. And now, I want you to introduce a soft gaze down over your front shoulder. And look up and switch. Keep gripping the mat, strengthening your toes. Keep lengthening upward through the spine. Keep the breath moving through the nose, lengthening through your arms, through your back. And now I want you to connect to your wrists. And when the arm comes forward, bring your hand back. Good. And you can have your hand forward as it comes back. And then you reach and wiggle your fingers. How does that feel? Through the arms, through the neck, the wrists, the palms. Getting so much healing through the fingers, through the joints, through the shoulders and the spine, and keep lengthening upward. And maybe, if you're up for it, do a little bit more of a bob. Just a little bit. Good. One more twist on each side. Three, two, and one. You did amazing. I'm so excited for your daily Tai Chi Twist journey. Here at I Jump Instead, we always use a handlebar and we focus on flexibility and isometric strengthening, which is the most powerful way to strengthen the body without using weights on a rebounder. And we want you to try out our classes. We want you to consider joining our private Facebook group and talking with our community. Post a question and ask our community about anything you might be experiencing. If you have a question, if you're concerned about something, you could ask what age group is in our community, and you might be surprised. Over 70% of our community watching here is between the ages of 40 and 80. So we have a demographic that aligns with handlebar workouts, needing to increase flexibility, mobility, and strength with gentle and very powerful movements. If you have any questions for us that you would like us to address, leave these questions in the comments section below. And I would also invite you to please tell me your age. Tell me what your age is in the comment section so I can get to know exactly who is watching and who is jumping with us. And we want to serve you and connect with you and give you more routines that are perfect for your body and for your fitness level. If you liked this 6-minute routine, give us a like. That helps us to spread the message of gentle movements on a rebounder. And again, if you are looking for a new rebounder, you could go to ijumpinstead.com and look for the rebounders that we recommend on our website. And this Fed Fitness Amazon Beacon trampoline is linked in the description box below. Join us on Facebook to ask us more questions and leave your age in the comments section. Thanks again for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.